Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture session. Shall we start with our math session? Yes, definitely. We had already started our chapter number 1, which is shapes and space. Those who are having textbook, they will open the page number 1. Here we'll find out the page number 1, and those who are not having, they will please concentrate here. You will not lose anything if you don't have a textbook. We had already discussed some of the topics like inside, outside, bigger, smaller, biggest, smallest. Okay, so we'll revise it one more time. Inside and outside. Inside matlab andar and outside matlab bahar. That's the meaning. How will you remember the spelling? You will break the spelling this way. I-N in, S-I-D-E side, inside, and outside, O-U-T out, S-I-D-E side, outside. Inside का मतलब अंदर, outside का मतलब बाहर. Now next is a bigger and smaller. Bigger का मतलब सबसे बड़ा, smaller का मतलब छोटा. बिगर का मतलब बड़ा और स्मॉलर का मतलब छोटा. When you are comparing the two objects, during that time you will find out one object is bigger and another object is a smaller. Look at here that hippopotamus is bigger than a dog and the dog is smaller than the hippopotamus. How will you remember the spelling? B-I-G-G E-R, bigger. Smaller, S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. Turn your page. The next page you will find out the biggest and smallest. Abhi biggest and smallest. When you are having more than two objects, during that time जो सबसे बड़ा होगा वो हो जाएगा biggest. और जो सबसे छोटा होगा वो हो जाएगा smallest. So look at here, there are three animals, and which animal do you find out the biggest? An elephant is the biggest animal and a cat is the smallest animal. Our next topic is nearest and farthest. Same like nearer and farther, but here the difference is that here we are comparing the distance of more than two objects or more than two persons with the given reference. Here the tree is a reference to compare the distance of these three children. Here the boy is nearest to the tree or nearest to the swing, whereas the girl is farthest from the swing. So we have already discussed these examples. Now we will move to our exercise sessions, and our exercise session is based on different topic. Our first topic is inside and outside, and the heading is observe the picture and put tick for inside and cross for outside in the given box. The object which is inside you have to tick over there, and the object which is outside you have to cross over there. Look at here. Here is a dog. A dog is standing outside. For outside, what you have to do? Cross. And here the dog is sitting inside his house. So you have to do here tick. Next, a cat. This cat is sitting inside the basket. So you have to tick. And this cat is outside the basket, standing outside. So you have to do here cross. Same way, this thing you will done by yourself. I will just discuss over here. Okay, here is a green boy who is wearing green t-shirt, who is standing outside the toy shop. The outside के लिए हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Cross. So you have to do it here, cross. And the boy who is standing inside the toy shop is this. So you have to do it here, tick. Now our next exercise is based on the concept of the bigger and smaller. यहाँ पे दो चीज़ों का कंपैरिजन करना है. जो चीज़ बड़ी है वो है bigger और जो छोटी है वो smaller. Now look at this. Can you observe that? Here are the two object, right? Which one is the bigger one? I think this one is a bigger one. Okay, heading is observe the pictures and put right for the bigger and cross for the smaller in the given. Okay, first example, here you are having two objects. It's a broom kind of thing, right? So this one is a bigger and this one is a smaller. There are two bats. First bat is a bigger, second bat is a smaller. There are two candles. First candle is bigger and second candle is a smaller. There are two pencils. Your first pencil is bigger and the second pencil is a smaller. Smaller को क्या करना है? Cross. There are two alarm clocks, right? Which one is bigger? This one is bigger? No, I think this one is not a bigger. The first alarm clock is a bigger and second one is a smaller. There are two kites. The first kite is a smaller and the second kite is a bigger. Now you will find out there are two balls. And which ball is the bigger one? I think the first ball is a bigger one. No, it's wrong. Your second ball is a bigger one. So you have to take this and cross the smaller one. Now next, there are two pots. Which pot is a bigger one? I find out the first pot is a bigger one and this is a smaller one. Now, next you will find out a squirrel and a cow. Which one is a bigger? A cow is a bigger. So you have to tick over here in the box and the squirrel is a smaller. So you have to cross in the box. Next is a hippopotamus and a dog. Which animal is a bigger one? I think a hippopotamus is a bigger one and the dog is a smaller one. So you have to cross over here and right over here. There are two types of ties. Which one is the bigger one? First one or second one? I think first tie is a bigger one and second one is a smaller one. For the smaller object you have to do cross and for the bigger object you have to do right. Now I will show you the rest of the exercise and you have to try to solve with yourself with the help of your parents. See, there are two kinds of nail. There are two types of arrow. These are leaves. These are fish. These are animals. One giraffe, one rat. Giraffe is a bigger one. Rat is a smaller one. There are two types of tire. This is a bigger one and this tire is a smaller one. Okay, see the two mans, two buildings and the two insect. Okay, you will do it yourself. It's a self exercise for self practice. Here is the next topic, biggest and smallest. You have to find out the biggest object from the given objects, right? And the smallest as well. But when you are having more than two objects, you will find out the biggest object. सबसे बड़े object को बोलेंगे biggest और सबसे छोटे object को बोलेंगे smallest. Here there are 3 crayons. Which crayon is the biggest one? I think this crayon is the biggest one. For the biggest one you have to do right, and for the smallest one you have to do cross. This crayon is the smallest one, so you have to do cross. Now there are 3 guns and you need to find out which one is the biggest one. This one is biggest and this one is smallest. Now there are 3 bags. You can see this. Which bag is the smallest one? This is the smallest one and this is the biggest one. Now there are 3 fruits which are given. Which fruit is the biggest one? The watermelon is the biggest one and the cherry is the smallest one. Next, a boy. A boy is making some bubbles. Fine. So which bubble is the biggest one? This one is the biggest one and this one is the smallest one. Can you see that there are 3 trees? We have already done this exercise in the textbook. So which tree is the biggest one? This one is the biggest one and this tree is the smallest one. That woman is the biggest one and that girl who is wearing pink frock is the smallest one. 1, 2 and 3 balls. This ball is the smallest one and this is the biggest one. Look at here, a dog, a cat, an elephant. An elephant is the biggest one and a cat is the smallest one. There are 3 flowers in a pot. Okay, in a different pots. Okay, so which flower is the biggest one? This one is the biggest one and this flower is the smallest one. Now we'll move to the next topic. Our next topic is nearer and farther. Nearer का मतलब होता है सबसे पास with the given reference and farther का मतलब होता है दूर with the given reference. When you have to need to compare the distance between the 2 objects with the given reference, during that time you are using nearer and farther. Now what is the heading? Observe the picture and put tick for the nearer and cross for the farther in the given box. Here you have to find out the nearer house to the boat. Which object is nearer to the boat? Which house is? This house is nearer. The animal farther from the tree. There are 2 animals, a lion and a deer. Which animal is farther from the tree? I think a deer is farther from the tree. For the farther animal, you have to cross. Number 3, the boy nearer to the swing. Can you see? This is a swing and 2 boys are standing here. Which boy is nearer to the swing? I think the boy who is wearing pink shirt is nearer to the swing. For the nearer object, you have to do the tick in that box. Number 4, the furniture farther from the blackboard. Which furniture is farther? See, table and chair comes under a furniture. So, which furniture is farther from the blackboard? So, the chair is farther from the blackboard. For the farther object, you will do cross in the box. The girl farther from the duck. There are 2 girls. Can you find out the 2 girls? Which girl is farther from the duck? This one? No, वो तो पास में दिख रही है, तो वहाँ पे करना है no. This girl is farther from the duck. For the farther object, you have to do cross. On the next page, the bird nearer to the nest. Which bird is nearer to the nest? This one or this one? I think this one is the nearer to the nest. So here for the nearer object we will do tick. Now we have already done this thing in the textbook, so we are not going to do it in this exercise, but I will explain again. The bird farther from the house. This bird is farther from the house, so you have to cross it. The animal nearer to the tree. I think this animal is nearer to the tree, so you have to tick in the box. Now our next topic is nearest and farthest, and the heading of this exercise is observe the picture and put tick for the nearest and cross for the farthest in the given box. Can you find out which puppy is here you have to find out the puppy nearest to the tree. Which puppy is nearest to the tree? This puppy is nearest? No. उससे भी आगे है देखो. This puppy is nearest? No. This one is nearest? No. I think this one is nearest a puppy. Okay, so you have to take that. The child farthest from the swing. ये swing है. Swing से दूर वाला child. I think this is the farthest child. Here, the mouse nearest to the cheese. Mouse loves cheese. Okay. So, we have to find out which mouse is nearest to the cheese. Cheese से कौन सा वाला? This is the nearest. There are 3 trees and you have to find out the tree farthest from the bird. ये bird है, which tree is farthest? This one is the farthest tree from the bird. The dog nearest to the home. This dog is nearest to the home. So, this is it for this session. I hope you enjoyed the exercise session, and next time in the next lecture we will discuss about the top, bottom, on and under, above and below. So till that you will stay safe, stay healthy, stay at your home and keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, it's time to say goodbye.